Actually so crazy that people are out here making over $200,000 in a span of 24 hours on trading. We got 134 grand right there and almost 300,000 in 7 days. That is just absolutely unreal. If you guys aren't familiar, this is the FOMO app, and it actually just shows you everyone's trades in real time. And if you go to the feed here, it shows you any trades that are being made over $1,000. So if people are buying or selling, if they're updating their thesis, like Pingu here, who is absolutely killing it on Kins. Kins is a really good token, by the way. Highly recommend. But I mean, this is just incredible tech here. If you guys are not familiar with FOMO, I definitely recommend signing up. And don't just go blindly copy trading people, because you are going to get burned that way. But it's just a really good, like, it is exactly what it is. It's a feed of all these different traders, and a lot of them are very, very profitable, as you can see right here. So you can just literally go here and it's all documented. We go to Prodigy's profile here. It tells you all their swaps. You can turn their notifications on so you get notified whenever they place a trade. And it's honestly such a go-to trading platform. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm going to drop my referral link in the description of this video. You'll get a discount on your trading fees there. But you guys definitely recommend it. Check it out. And yeah, if you guys like the video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.